The chamber seals around the cargo ship.
The cargo ship meets a new river level.
No water escapes while lifting the cargo ship. No sudden movement disturbs the cargo ship. This is China's river in the sky, where every cargo ship defies gravity. Here, a cargo ship travels where rivers were never meant to exist. This cargo ship is not on the sea, but above mountains. This river was built for one purpose, moving cargo ship traffic uphill. A cargo ship floating in the sky changes how we see rivers. This is where the journey of a cargo ship truly begins. China needed a way for every cargo ship to move faster. A cargo ship carries more goods than hundreds of trucks. Water transport made the cargo ship the smartest solution. Without this project, a cargo ship journey would end here. This system reconnected the cargo ship to global trade. This cargo ship operates near the legendary Three Gorges. Geography challenged every cargo ship entering this region. Even reaching the lift is a challenge for a cargo ship.
This is the gateway for each cargo ship.
Few places on Earth allow a cargo ship to climb like this. This is where elevation changes everything for the cargo ship. The cargo ship enters what looks like a massive elevator. Water carries the cargo ship even during lifting. Precision keeps the cargo ship perfectly balanced. Every system locks in before lifting the cargo ship. Counterweights make lifting a cargo ship possible. This is the moment a cargo ship climbs the mountain. Counterweights balance the cargo ship against gravity. The cargo ship rises smoothly, not forcefully.
Electric motors guide the cargo ship upward.
Guide rails prevent the cargo ship from swaying. Balance keeps the cargo ship perfectly horizontal. Engineering allows the cargo ship to defy gravity. Every cargo ship enters slowly and carefully. Perfect positioning protects the cargo ship. Small movements keep the cargo ship safe. Steel walls enclose the cargo ship completely. Final checks are done on the cargo ship. The lift sequence for the cargo ship begins.
The chamber seals around the cargo ship.
No water escapes while lifting the cargo ship. The cargo ship is now inside a closed system. Safety systems secure the cargo ship. Only then can the cargo ship be lifted. The vertical journey of the cargo ship begins now. The cargo ship rises higher every second. No sudden movement disturbs the cargo ship. Gravity is controlled, not defeated. The cargo ship approaches the Sky River. The cargo ship rises over 100 meters.
The cargo ship meets a new river level.
This is the highest point for the cargo ship.
The system prepares to release the cargo ship.
The cargo ship has climbed the mountain. Old methods slowed every cargo ship. What took hours now takes minutes. Timing matters for every cargo ship.
Automation accelerates cargo ship movement.
Time efficiency transforms cargo ship transport.
Sensors constantly protect the cargo ship.
Stability control prevents accidents. Safety comes before speed. Safety makes this system world-class. Steel cables carry enormous cargo ship weight. Bearings allow smooth cargo ship movement. Advanced alloys strengthen the system. Longevity matters for cargo ship transport. Strength ensures reliability. Power flows constantly. Reliability is critical. Software protects hardware. Perfect timing matters. Precision defines success. The cargo ship enters a new river.
Normal navigation returns.
The journey goes on. Few waterways look like this. The cargo ship sails in the sky. This river was built, not formed. Heavy cargo moves easily.
Mixed cargo travels daily.
Efficiency lowers costs.
Balance keeps movement safe.
Trade reaches new regions. Connectivity changes economies. Numbers tell the story. Fewer trucks mean less pollution. Nature benefits too. Quiet efficiency. Engineering protects nature. An African-American male engineer studies this design. This is how ships climb mountains.